Okay, let's talk a bit about colocasia babies and the, I would say, different stage of the baby. Like this leaf is 2 months old from the baby plant there, and this is the mother. That's her daughter. So if the mother is old enough, when she have a baby, there will be color on midribs, on veins, on the sinus with the baby. Like this one is the color is coming a bit, but like these little ones, these are also her babies, but I took it off the mother plant, and back then the mother plant wasn't mature enough. Now this is also not only the case for the hybrid, but also for the tropical storm. This is, as you can see, this is mature. She had the color on the midribs already, as white, and the leaf turning black. Now this is also another tropical storm. As you can see, it also have 2 babies, but the mother plant has that white midrib yet, so the baby also doesn't have that white midribs, unlike this one, right? See, this is the mother plant. The leaf has the white midribs, and now when she have baby, that one also have white midribs, and the leaf turning black and with white midribs. Now that's also the case for the Nancy's Revenge, but the other two I'm not sure with the white lava and Pharaoh's mask. I don't have a really mature Pharaoh's mask. Well, I would say they don't they don't produce a lot of babies for me. It's quite tall, but the leaf are not. I don't think they are mature enough. Otherwise, the leaf would curl backwards. Okay, and if my Pharaoh's mask has any changing, I would keep you up to date. But today, that is all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.